Mama is very late today, but everybody is where they're supposed to be waiting on me this morning. So that's good. They didn't give up on me. It's normal weekend time. It's just during the school year it's late. Oh, Tux, come on, buddy. He's on the front porch rail. Tuxie, come on, bud. Oh, Tux, where are you? I saw him. He's coming. Wow, ran at a trot for Mom this morning. Good morning. Let's go get you some food. Come on, buddy, let's go. They're over eating on the bricks. They're not in the ferns, ready to pounce you. That is why he looks like that when he walks down there, because all it takes is once or twice somebody spring it out at you that you weren't expecting. And it teaches you to be careful every time you walk past there. Hi. Here you go. Come on. It's right there. Good morning. Yeah, this is more like it. We can all actually see the front yard. The yellow flower sure is looking pretty. And the canna lily has continued to put out some new red flowers the whole summer in little spurts, which has been nice because it's kept the hummingbirds in nectar. I see them flying circles around the house and stopping on those flowers all the time. Good morning, Stripe. You taking your morning walk around the yard? He really does do this every morning. And these guys are doing good. Everybody's doing good. It's always such a relief. This guy is really midnight. Hi. Really mouthy in the morning. He beats on the washer and dryer door, which he can get open because that one's a magnet. And then he stands outside of Johnny's door and cries because he wants to go back in with Johnny, which is where he sleeps. And then he comes back out and he talks to me some more. He's very active in the morning. Hey there. I know you asked for more coffee.
Oh, she's the best.
I still don't ever see any Keurig decanters at Guardian Angel. This lid on this one is broken. I keep looking. You would think that some would start to show up like the Mr. Coffees, but at least not that the Mr. Coffees are also visibly more, oh wow, that's a Mr. Coffee, whereas this one you have to look for the K.
Yeah.
It's embossed on the black handle and it's kind of hard to see, but I'm having my second cup. Since I pour mine onto ice, I've started making it in the creamer thing. It is a Corelle piece, so it takes the heat just fine, and that works out great. I don't spill it anymore. Don and I are on holiday time today, and I decided that we could have food before we walk instead of food after we walk today.
Wow, that looks great.
We're here at the Greenway Trail. Gonna give my weekly wave to Milo the cat, and yeah, it's going on 2:30.
What do you think about my Alabama gear?
Well, I pointed it out last night.
They won,
They did. That was a really hard game for them. Not.
Oh, 55 to 9.
Let's talk about playing somebody that is a little higher ranked. It's 88. It feels like 90. When I first went into WeatherBug, somehow it had switched to our friend's house in the mountains, and it's 79 degrees at their house. It's not fair. Wow, we came around the corner today and you could see the lake. I swear they've been in there and they've cleaned up even more than they had cleaned up before, although Don would point out that it still looks kind of scruffy.
Well, they're definitely going in the right direction.
Yeah, I mean, one has to question, you come in and you trim all those limbs like they did on that American holly there, or you take it out. I don't know.
Right, I agree with that too.
I don't know. I'm sensitive to these kinds of things, but they've definitely been in here doing more. And I would say they have more to do. I saw this last week, lot 605 or something, and I went, surely there's no room to build right here. Yeah, surely that just has to do with the lot behind. Maybe. Yeah. I don't know, but you can see a lot more of the lake. I guess mostly it's good, but there's one or two things in there. I don't know that one. I like American holly, so someone that comes in and eradicates every single one, I'm not for that. Like here, they've left poison oak on that tree. Well, if you're going to clean up in there, then how about pull the vine off the tree and pick up the trash? It's kind of like half a job. It's a start. Maybe they'll be back again to do a little more. I mean, seriously, we're going to clean it out and then we're just going to walk away as workers and leave the trash. And there's several water bottles down in there. No. But I can't, even if I wanted to clean it up, I can't help with that down in there. There's poison ivy. So you can see the sod they put down a week or two ago and the sod they put down this week. At least they are making an effort with sprinklers to keep it watered, not let it die and all that good stuff. Yep, I see it. I'm glad to be past the lake and back in the shade. It's hot out there in the full sun right now. No doubt about it. Milo is up in the corner by the front door. Yay!
Corner there.
I don't call him when he's sleeping, but I'm very happy to see him happy. I love the view at the lake, and I love checking in on Milo. I tell you though, if it wasn't for Milo today, we might have turned around at the lake because walking across in that full sun and that heat was a lot. But you guys know I'm dedicated to my kitties and checking on them, so gotta do it. And pretty soon here now, any number of weeks, we gotta be getting close to a little break in the weather for good for the fall. I'm holding out for it. I don't think it's going to be in the next couple of days, though. I can be wrong. I want to be wrong. We're back. Thank goodness. I need air conditioning. The owl turned out super cool. I have to wonder though why they didn't put one smooth tile up closer on the side of his arm. If I run across a dark brown, I'll replace it. This was a little hard to build to see visually on the printed material between the reddish brown and the dark brown. But I did manage to pull it off. I'm having some help here, you know. I have lots of help up on my counter. Hi, nighttime. Hello. Yes, you're cute. Even when I'm making a video and you're in the way, you're still cute. We're having hamburgers. These are gonna get frozen. The chaffles freeze really well. I'm about done. It is a little bit of a higher prep meal, but Dawn gets to clean up on the Dash waffle iron.